Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today let's make moong kadi with aloo. So let's check the ingredients. You need two medium size onion, handful of coriander leaves and garlic 1 pot, and 1 spoon of jeera, 1 spoon of methi, tamarind and coconut slices. So now let's check the spices. 2 spoon of chili powder, haldi and 2 spoon of salt, coriander powder. We also need 6 or 8 large tomatoes and potatoes and also green moong. We should make this paste, tomato paste. Make a paste of all these ingredients also. So in the cooker you need to add green moong and potatoes, onion, coriander, jeera and methi, coriander leaves paste. Add all the spices. Add the coconut and tomato paste. Add water and close it. 4 whistles you need for tempering: half slice of onion, curry leaves and mustard seeds.
Later.
So this is the final look of the curry which I made. I need to do a tempering at last after 4 whistles.